still got. Okay. It is still snowing hard.
My hands are too cold.
We thought we wanted to play in it, but it's really cold.
I'm getting something more cold.
In the front yard. The footprints that were left behind are now gone. That's how hard it's coming down. Now it's a light snow. Very pretty. Here I was excited about seeing snow back.
Would you call this snow?
I would call this snow. Absolutely. I would call it snow.
I do. As close as it's going to get here, I think.
Look at the blue sky in the...
It's like big... It's like big pieces of wood, isn't it?
Look at the blue sky. There's the sun shining through. These cars are not even coming close to slowing down. Covered in snow. Look at this one. Covered in snow. Or, you know, hail, if you want to call it. Sun shining over there, and that's north.
Can you believe this?
I cannot. I am not believing this. Let's see how much it's accumulated on the road. You can see it splashing.
You know what I worry about, Chris? Coming through here and not knowing how to drive the snow and going fast.
Oh yeah, because they're not slowing, and this is...
Get out here before it stops!
Oh, it's going to stop and the sun's going to come out in 5 minutes.
You better get out here, boy!
I'm making
Don't
it
hit me,
snow.
man! I don't want to be in pain. Now, don't hit me hard. I don't want to get hit. Hurry up, Joe! Oh, wow, Joe, give me one. Not real hard, man. You can do damage, okay? Don't. I don't want to get hit. Just give me one, Joe. No. Somebody's going to get hit in the face.
My hands are still cold.
I know. Make a big snowball. Make a big one and show it to the camera.
I did that. I missed on purpose. I missed on purpose.
All right. That is great. Now throw it.
Only when it flops.
Okay.
My hands are still cold.
There you go.
Well, I would say this is...
Come on.
Uh-oh. Caught Gary. I would say if this is not a
Don't make them that big.
first, it's somewhat historic. It's starting to sprinkle now. And my camera is soaking wet.
Come on. Come on.
Everybody's out taking pictures.
I wish the van was here and come here.
I
Oh my
know.
gosh, look at that tree. It has ice.
The tree has ice in it. Go down to the ground. Hope I don't make you guys sick doing this. Uh-oh, somebody... Oh, is that my towel? These are the footprints. This is the snow. What is it, Tessa? What do you think of snow? Ruby, what do you... It's too cold. They're shaking. They don't want to stay out here.
I'm gonna try and smooth out some snow.
Well, you guys are going to be on YouTube. There's the roof. Oh. Snow on the roof. Oh, maybe I should go back here. Snow in Burbank, California. Pretty cool.
No, don't you throw to Christy.
Oh, he could throw it. Go ahead, Dino.
Throw to you, Dino.
Go ahead, Dino. Throw it. All right.
Come here. Oh, look, now the sun's coming out.
Watch the wind,
In shorts. Playing in the snow in shorts. And yes, the sun is coming out. Wow.
I would say this is snow.
The debate is snow or hail. They're probably going to call it hail as far as statistically. And now the sun is out. Well, what do you guys think?
It's wonderful.
Is this, would you say historic? Would you say historic?
Yes, definitely.
I don't know if it's ever happened here before.
I've never seen it.
And now the sun's out.
Then there'll be a rainbow.
Yep. Oh, you're right. There will be.
Shot, John.
Hey, shot at me.
Be careful. So now the quest is going to be for the rainbow. And my battery's about to go dead. Look at that. I'm driving in it like it's just complete mush now.
All right, now you've had it. Now you freaking had it, Joe. Where is he?
Oh, look at that weird.
Okay, everybody look for the rainbow.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Wow, baby. You hit me in the face with your
Look at the road! Look at the road!
I know.
Not a lot of smooth surface. Dino!
Oh, Dino's frozen.